Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Friendly. For few months I will be teaching on the study table instead of that whiteboard, as I have to change the setup of my classroom. So kindly cooperate with me and rest everything will be as earlier. Now let's start the class. In today's class we will do question number 3 of exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class Maths NCERT book. Now let us see what is the question. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime number. See, first we have to understand what is the question, and then we can very easily do the solution of this question. So the question says the number 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Okay, are prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and the number itself. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on are all prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are divisible by 1 and the number itself. It means 2 is a prime number, it is divisible by only 1 and 2 itself. 3 is a prime number, it is divisible by 1 and 3 itself. Yes, because it means that it comes in 1's table and it comes in 3's table. So only it is divisible by 1 and 3. 5 is a prime number and it comes in 1's table, it comes in 5 table. 7 is a prime number, it comes in 1's table and it comes in 7 table. But 9 is not a prime number because 9 comes in 1's table, 3's table and 9 table. Okay, 1 9's are 9, 3 3's are 9 and 9 1's are 9. So 9 comes in these 3 tables. It means that 9 is not a prime number. A prime number comes only in 2 tables. Okay, only in 1 and the number itself. 11 is a prime number, so it comes in 1's table and it comes in 11's table. Like that we have to find the numbers which only comes in 1's table and the number itself. Okay, like that we have to check each and every number up to 100 and see that whether it comes only in 1's table and the table of itself. Okay, if a number comes in some other tables, then it is not a prime number. Okay, so a prime number has only 2 factors. Only 2 factors. See, 1 and 5 are the factors of 5. So only 2 factors. A prime number have only 2 factors. Okay, so you have understood what is prime numbers. The number 1 and 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. See, this number also has digits 1 and 3. This number also has digits 1 and 3. Okay, but the difference is that in this number 1 3 and in this number the digits are reversed and it is 3 1 31. Okay, the difference is only that. So we have to find both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pair of prime numbers up to 100. So we have to, these are 2 prime numbers because it has only, it comes in 1's table and it comes in 13's table. It does not comes in any other table. This also comes in 1's table and it comes in 31's table. This number doesn't come in any other table. So it is so both of these numbers are prime numbers. Okay, because prime, which means that this number has only 2 factors. This number has only 2 factors. So these 2 numbers are prime numbers and these two numbers have the same digits. The digit is reversed in this number 1 3 and 3 1. So we have to find such pair of numbers, such pair of prime numbers up to 100 whose digits are reversed. Okay, so we will find prime numbers up to 100 and then we will see that the digits are also reversed in those numbers. Like 13 and 31 are prime numbers and the digits are same. Both the digits of the number are same, but the difference is that the digits are reversed in both the numbers. Okay, so we have to find such pair of numbers, such pair of prime numbers up to 100. So now we will do the solution of this question. Okay, so now we have understood what is prime number. So we will write all the prime numbers up to 100 first. So yes, and we will not take single digit prime number. See, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 7 are all prime numbers, but it is of one digit, so the digits cannot be reversed. So we will take prime numbers which are of 2 digits. Okay, so 2 digit up to 7, right? After 7, 8, 9 and 10 are not prime numbers because they have other factors also. Those numbers are divisible by other numbers also. Okay, so we will start from 11. 11 is a prime number because it is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and the number 11 itself. So 12, 13. 12 is not a prime number, 13 is a prime number. 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 is a prime number. 14, 15, 16 are not prime numbers, okay, because those numbers have other factors also. Those numbers are divisible by other numbers also, but this number is divisible by only 1 and the number itself, that is, it is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 17. Okay, so the next prime number is not 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 is the next. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Yes, 29 is the next prime number. 30, 31. Yes, 31 it is already given there. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yes, 37 is a prime number. It is divisible by only two numbers. It is divisible by 1. It is divisible by 37. Okay. The next prime number after 37 is 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. After 41, we have 42, 43. Yes, 43 is the next prime number. 44, 45, 46, 47. 40, 44, 45, 46, 47 is the next prime number. 48, 49, 51, 52, 53. Yes, 53 is the next prime number. 54, 55, 56, 57, 57, 58, 59, 59. Yes, 59 is the next prime number. 60, 61. Yes, 61 is the next prime number. 62, 63, 60, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. 67 is the next prime number. 68, 69, 69, 70, 71. 71 is the next prime number. After 71 we have 72, 73. Yes, 73 is the next prime number. 74, 75, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Yes, 79 is the next prime number because this is only divisible by two number. It is divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 79. It is not divisible by any other number. Okay, it means it does not come in any other table. It comes only in one table and it comes only in 79 table. Okay, so 79. After that 80, 81, 82, 83. Yes, 83 is the next prime number. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 89 is the next prime number. Okay, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97 is the next prime number. 98, 99 and 100 are not prime number because they come in other table also. Okay, so now we have to find such pairs like 13 and 31 are prime numbers and they have the same digits and the digits are reversed. Like that, if we see 13, it's already given there, right? 13 and 31 are given there. 17, 71 is there. Yes, 71 is there. So we need this because they are asking such pair of prime numbers whose digits are reversed. 17 and 71. 19, 91 is not there. 23, 32 is not there because 32 is not a prime number. 29, 92 is not there. 37, see, 37 and 73. These two are prime numbers and these two have the same digits. The digits are reversed. 37, 73. 41, 14 is not there. 43, 34 is also not there. See, 47, 74 is also not there because 74 is not a prime number. 53 and 35. 35 is also not there. 59 and 95. 95 is also not there because 95 is not a prime number. 61 and 16 is not there. 67 and 76 is not there, right? Now 79 and 97. These two are the prime numbers and the digits are same of these two numbers and the digits are reversed, 83 and 89. So what are the required pair? Such pair of prime numbers up to 100 are the required pairs of prime numbers are 17 and 71, 17 and 71, okay, 37 and 73, 37 and 73, right, and 79, 79 and 97. So we got such pairs of prime numbers which have same digits and the digits are reversed, 17, 71, 37, 73, 79 and 97. So understood this question? In the next class we will do question number 4 of exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, which is playing with numbers, from 6th class maths NCERT book. If you like my teaching, then share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of the upcoming videos. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.